class, students, and visitors to our broadcast. Today is November 10th. It's a day 3 on the specialist schedule, a day purple for first, kindergarten, and kinder academy.
Here's today's hot lunch menu. A homemade grilled cheese with sides of chicken noodle soup or tomato soup, baked beans, assorted fruit, assorted fresh veggies with dip, and brunch hamburgers.
Here's today's weather. It's partly cloudy with a high 59 degrees.
Here are today's top stories. In 1969, Sesame Street aired for the first time. Over the years, Sesame Street taught generations the alphabet and how to count.
Now for a joke. Why was Cinderella kicked off the basketball team?
Why?
She ran from the ball.
Please welcome Mrs. McDonald.
Thank you. Good joke. All right, a couple of things today. Happy Tuesday. Can you believe it? We're on Tuesday, November 10th. An important day today. I was watching the news this morning as I was getting ready for school. And did you know that a year ago today, there was a big snowstorm, and we actually left school a little early. So we really are lucky to have this wonderful, partially cloudy high of 50 million degrees. So wonderful weather, let's enjoy it. I hope you're going to get outside and enjoy recess, and I hope you enjoy the time after school. Now, a couple things happening. Did you know that tomorrow is Veterans Day? Big day. We're going to be having a display, the America's White Table. We have a couple of visiting veterans who are going to have lunch in our lunchroom, so we need to have roaring good behavior. And tomorrow, as part of the broadcast, we are going to do the Pledge to the Flag in honor of all those people who served our country. Mrs. McMahon sent out a beautiful video that made Mrs. McDonald get a little teary. It was so good. It talks about honoring veterans. And veterans are people who either gave up their life or fought and have come back in wars or battles or conflicts. And that's just so our country can be free. We also have today in kindergarten someone who is going to be celebrating a holiday that I'm going to learn more about today. Have you ever heard about the holiday of Diwali? It starts today. Today's the first day of Diwali. And there's some kindergartners who are going to learn all about that in Mrs. Currance's and Mrs. Palmetier's classrooms. Now, tomorrow is Veterans Day. Try to wear some red, white, and blue. I know I had to make myself a big note, put it on my my car window or mirror so that I would remember tomorrow to wear red, white, and blue. I hope you do too. But on Thursday, that is our hibernation celebration. And I'll go over this again. We are going to have, it's a late start day, so you come to school 2 hours later. That way teachers are going to be doing some meeting and learning about Google Classroom. From 2:20 to 3 o'clock, the whole school is going to go into hibernation mode, and we're going to have our hibernation celebration. And that's because you filled that whole big container with tickets. And what we are going to do is you're going to be encouraged to wear your pajamas, bring a flashlight, a book, and even some gum as we have all school readathon for about half an hour. And while that readathon is going on, Mrs. Best and I will be pulling from that big container names, and we have some special hibernation celebration prizes, some books, posters. We also have some flashlights, some book lights. I have a lot of glow sticks because you know they help light the way in the dark. Because we're getting ready to have a reading hibernation. Because reading this winter is going to be a big thing that we'll be talking about, and hopefully we'll have something to celebrate with reading over the winter holiday. And finally, on that day for Hibernation Day, remember it's a 2-hour late start. So we're very, very busy, but can't forget something that Mrs. Godwin told us about, which is our squats, our daily squats, and today is the 11th, so how many do we do? 6? Okay, let's see if we can do it. Ready? Are you ready? Anybody? Let's see in the back there. Can you stand up and do it with me? We're going to do 6 of these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you met the goal. Okay, you can mark it off on your cheat sheet, and I hope that you are like Mrs. McDonald keeping track of these. Well, it's a terrific Tuesday, 59 degrees, no snow. Make today a super day and remember to roar with pride. Have a great one.
Thank you for watching. Today's broadcast is brought to you by Natalie Bottles,
Trash Gupta,
and Ted Cruz, Cindy Thompson, and Cora Perry. Have a great day at school. Remember to apply gold.